Hello and welcome back to Maya Makes Fakes and Creates. My name is Maya and today I'll be making mini Victoria sponges. I am sorry I haven't done a video in a long time because I have been very busy homeschooling, but I'm back, ready to do lots of baking. Let's get started. For your sponge you will need flour, caster sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, vanilla essence and milk. And for the filling you will need double cream, jam of your choice, today I'm using strawberry jam, and icing sugar. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees. And then line your muffin tray with cupcake cases, but today I have a special muffin tray with individual loose bottoms that are already greased, so I am going to pour my mixture into there. First of all, we need to add the sugar and the butter, and today I'm using an electric whisk because it's faster, and cream them together so they're light and fluffy. Now that that's done, add the vanilla extract and the eggs and fully combine. Next I'm going to add the flour, the baking powder and the milk to the mixture and whisk it carefully until it is nice and smooth. Be careful not to overmix. And that's the cake batter done. Now spoon the cake mixture into your cupcake cases or your muffin holes. Make sure they're equal. And now you're ready to put them in the oven and bake them for 15 minutes or until golden. So I've taken my cakes out of the oven and put them on a wire cooling rack to cool properly, but in the meantime we'll make the cream. So, for the cream we need to add the double cream and icing sugar into a bowl and whisk it until it forms stiff peaks. This can take quite a while. I think we're pretty much there. So my cream's in the fridge and I've cut my cakes in half with a sharp knife, so I've had to ask an adult to do that for me. Once that's done and your cream is cooling in the fridge, add a dollop of jam onto the bottom of each cake. once you've finished the jam, you can add the cream. You can do this by using a teaspoon and dollop it on, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can pipe it. I am going to pipe it around the edge like this. Perfect. That looks really good. Now let's put the tops on. They'd be lovely for a lockdown afternoon tea. And there we have it, mini Victoria sponges. And now for the taste test. They're delicious. Thank you for watching my Makes, Bakes and Creates. Bye!